How often do you misplace your stuffs, gadgets and other household items? How often have you wished you could find some items sooner than later? It is a common happenstance to forget exactly where you left your car keys during the morning rush. It is also common to forget where you must have flung your wallet when you come back from work. This little happenstance has cost us time, energy and efforts, and sometimes resources. Imagine having to take a cab because somehow you couldn't find your car keys, or being pulled over only to realize that you had your driver's license in your wallet, and in more deep shit because you cannot even find the wallet. We have had all these troubles leading us to more troubles. What if I tell you that Apple have got this problem solved? You would be excited, right? I bet you would. This is the reason we have chosen to bring to your notice the all-new Apple AirTags. Relax with your popcorn and a glass of water, hit the subscribe button, and put this channel notification on for more amazing videos that would open up the world of possibilities to you. Apple AirTags have been described as smart and capable for those in the Apple ecosystem, and tracking has been lauded for its accuracy by the members of the media who were asked to test run the AirTag. What makes the Apple AirTag so special and so accurate is its U1 precision tracking that helps you to get around obstacles and obstructions and walls which ordinarily, Bluetooth would have had some difficulties. How does the AirTag look? The AirTag is a small, button-shaped tracking device which is designed primarily to take the shape of the CR2032 batteries that are inside, and which of course powers the device. The Apple AirTags comes in a glossy white front that can be customized with an engraving and a silver backing. What makes the Apple AirTag more fascinating is the ability of user to engrave up to 4 letters or emoji characters into their AirTags, but this feature has come with some restrictions. Before engraving any letter of your choice or any emoji of your choice, it is advisable that you take a few seconds to read through the Apple's content filtering. But what we know for sure is that no curse words are allowed. The Apple AirTag measures in a 1.26 inches in diameter, and it has a height of 0.13 inches, or 8 millimeters. It weighs nothing more than 0.39 ounces, that is 11 grams. Features that make the Apple AirTag device unique. Setting up the AirTag can be done with a one-tap gesture after it is unboxed, just the same way it is with the Apple AirPods. After the unboxing, you can go ahead to customize it with a name and an item description. Apple came up with a smart chip, which is the U1 chip. This chip comes in each AirTag and helps user to see its precise location if it is indoors or out if it is nearby, or better still, its last known location. The AirTag are added and managed in the Find My app under the Items tab that Apple introduced in iOS 14.3. The AirTag comes with a built-in speaker that plays a sound to help you find a lost AirTag in the house. These sounds can be played via the Find My app, or you can relax and ask Siri to find an AirTag with a sound. The AirTag, like other Apple devices, is displayed on a map in the Find My app to enable you find or see its location. The device is connected to your iOS and macOS devices over Bluetooth. The Apple AirTag is like a trained dog. Even if you lose contact with it, there are ways to get back to your prized possession. If an AirTag is lost, it sends out an automatic notification when it is detected by someone in the Find My network. If someone comes across a lost AirTag, it can be scanned with any smartphone that is equipped with NFC to bring up the contact information of the owner. You can add your contact info so that if someone finds it, they can get in contact with you. The AirTag also comes with a separation alert, which are designed to remind you when you leave an Apple device, or a device attached to an AirTag, or a Find My enabled third-party device behind. The AirTag ownership limits a user to 16 AirTags. This means each Apple ID can be associated with up to 16 AirTags, which you can keep track of at one time. Now you don't have to worry which item you should be tagged. Everything you think of can be tagged. AirTag dust and water resistance feature. The AirTag will hold well to liquid exposure from rain or accidental spills and some level of immersion because the AirTag features an IP67 water and dust resistance. An experimental test was carried out, and it turns out that the Apple AirTag can withstand immersion in water up to 1 meter, that is 3.3 feet, for 30 minutes in laboratory conditions. AirTags privacy and security. AirTags have a unique Bluetooth identifiers that rotate frequently, a feature that makes sure you are never tracked from place to place. It also prevents you from identifying whoever it is that helps you find your lost device, and Apple does not also see where AirTags are located because they are end-to-end encrypted. The AirTag further assures you security, because each AirTag is linked to your Apple ID, and no one else can track it. It also does not store location history or history. To further beef up security, your Apple device will notify if there is an AirTag near you. The Apple AirTag is not designed to track children or pets but items. It is recommended that you use an Apple Watch which features a family setup. AirTag range and battery. There is no specific tracking range yet of the AirTag, but then the maximum Bluetooth range is around 100 meters. We believe an AirTag should be trackable to at least that distance. The AirTag battery is non-rechargeable, they are only replaceable. The battery is not something to give you a constant worry, as Apple has designed its CR2032 battery to last about a year before it is replaced. Replacing it is a simple press and twist on the back panel of the AirTag to pop it off. It is also worthy to note that the batteries are not specific to Apple, they can be gotten in retail shops. If you wish to know more about the Apple AirTags, how to get its accessories, how to reset an AirTag so someone else can use it, and lots more, then this channel is the one to subscribe to. Subscribe and turn on the notification, so you will be the first to know when we have a new video that explains all you ever need to know about the Apple AirTags. We would gladly welcome your feedback and thoughts on this video. Do you think the Apple AirTags is a thing to get, or you most definitely would like to rely on your superhuman finding skills? Thank you for watching, see you in our next video.